Hello everyone, this is Ignacio. I'm going to be teaching you how to use an Electron Digitakt as a MIDI sequencer for a bunch of outboard gear, whatever you have. It's a little bit difficult, but I'll show you how in this video. So the first thing we're going to start out with is a new project. So we're just going to go ahead and create a new project in the product menu right here. So just create new, click yes, we're gonna make this new project. So like now, like none of my MIDI is working, so I'm trying to send note data from this keyboard to this one and this one. But it's just playing the first track on the machine. I don't want it to do that, so I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the settings. And we're going to go back to MIDI configuration right here. Click yes. And like one of the things that's not really known, you have to change this every time you make a new project. So if you make a new project, you're going to have to do this. So we go to the channels. So this keyboard is transmitting MIDI on the first track. See, I'll just go here. That's the first track, and then I'll continue to the second track, which is like a snare drum. But so in order to route it to other instruments and not into this machine, we need to turn these off. So we're going to turn all the track channels off. Just set them to 0. It's only 8, which is good. And then we're going to change these tracks A through H to be MIDI tracks 1 through 8. So 1, 2, 3, and so on. So now we set them 1 through 8, and we'll just turn this off since I'm not using these. Those are fine. And then we can go back to home page, and we're gonna save this project. Here, give it a name. I'll just name it something, whatever that character is, and save that. So now we can see the keyboard is transmitting MIDI data to track A instead of track the track 1, which is like the kick sound. And we can change to different channel, and we can see it works with the track B on channel 2. But now to get these routed through the machine to other synths, we need to change them. So we're going to go ahead and select this track by holding the track button, go to the first track, and then you got to press function and push this A encoder down. So now you see it's selected channel 1, and so this A track will be sent to channel 1, and I have set this keyboard up to be this sound on channel 1. So now I can play this keyboard from this one through this instrument. Oh, that's the wrong channel. Let me change it to 1. So now we can do that to all the other tracks. So now I can change this one to channel 2, same way. So now you can record everything like you do on the normal drum tracks, but through MIDI, and basically use the same sequencer methods. These Electron boxes are pretty hard to learn. There's a decent learning curve. It took me a while to figure this out. It's pretty hard, but just like life, whenever it gets hard, all you can do is try. Thank you for watching, everyone.